everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing FabFitFun and this is the style box. So let's open this box and see what they sent me this time. Right, so when you open, it comes like this. Let's read what it says inside. It says, you are gonna look gorgeous. Here's what happened next. Love your looks. Your $20 go towards the price of any item you love. Return the rest. Drop off the prepay envelope to any FedEx location. And back your bonus. Did the stylist nail it? 25% off and you keep everything. So they will give you 25% off. And here I have the list of the items. I don't want to see them. I want them to be a surprise. I will look at them afterwards. Alright, so okay, the first item that I see here is this blouse. I don't know why they keep sending me this. This is not quite my style. I don't know, it made me feel like it has like an old person vibe a little bit to it. I'm not saying it's not pretty, but they tend to look kind of like weird on me sometimes. So let's try this and see how it looks like. And I have to look at the price. I cannot just show it to you. This is worth $52. I think it's a little bit overpriced. I don't know this brand, Collective Concepts, but well, it says that it's $52. So let's see how it fits. Alright guys, this is how the blouse looks like. As you see, it's a little baggy on me and it's a little see-through. In this area right here is way too tight. I know you can pull it down, but the whole idea of having this is to be able to pull it up. This is too tight for me right here, and I don't like that it's very see-through and kind of like too baggy. I don't like this much space on it. Again, I am no fan of this style. I don't really like it. I don't feel like it's made me look pretty or anything like that, so this is a no. Next item that I see here is this black, and if you notice, I love black, so I hope this is a pretty piece. And it looks a little big. I'm not so sure how it's gonna look like on my body, but let's try it. It's in size medium. This is the brand Daisy, and this is meant to be worth $38. Again, a little bit overpriced. Not so sure if it is. I will pay $38 for this little piece. It has right here a little something. I don't know if you can pick it up by the camera, but it doesn't seem like the best quality. It's soft. I mean, I don't know, I wouldn't pay $38 for this. So this is the second blouse, and this one I would say is a little bit better. I don't like the price, and it has this detail. See this detail? It has this detail, which I don't mind. It's kind of like pretty. I mean, this blouse is something way more comfortable, something that I might use more in the everyday kind of like thing. That's why I don't think I will pay that much for this, because it's more like an everyday item. But it feels fine. It's soft. I like it. It's okay. Alright, so the next item is this one, and this is a dress. This is a dress that is worth $62, and it has these stripes like this, and it's this kind of shape, and it has these colors. It's double, so I don't think I'm gonna feel comfortable with it. But again, this is not the type of pattern that I like. It's kind of like, it looks too busy for me. Maybe something more simple would have been better. And this is how the dress looks like, just by himself. Let's try it on and see how it looks like on. Hi guys, this is the dress. I'm a little bit between I like it, but I don't like it. I'm like, do I like it? I don't like it. It's very comfortable, very soft. I am getting a little bit excited about this because it's very, very comfortable. The only thing that I don't like is kind of like the colors maybe. I'm not so sure if I like this combination. But other than that, the dress is very nice. And also the price is a little bit expensive, I believe. I'm not so sure. I think this is a little too expensive. But I mean, I have to think. I will give you my final opinion at the end of this video. The next item that I see here, this is definitely more like my style. It is the shorts. They're super, super soft. I really, really like that. And let's see how much they say these shorts are worth. These are worth $32. Again, it seems a little overpriced, but they have packets. I mean, they look pretty. I kind of like it. They're a little too thick for summer, I believe so. But they look fine. Let's see if they fit me and how they fit me. Here are the shorts. These shorts are soft. They're comfortable. They're nice. They have a good length. They're not too short, like extremely short. They're short, but they're not extremely short. I like how soft they are. They're very, very soft. I like that you can adjust it here. I like the band on it. It's very, very soft. Again, a little bit overpriced in my opinion. Last item that I see here is $98 and it's jeans by this brand Liverpool and they're size 10. Let's see if they fit me. But so far I like that they look high-waisted, very high-waisted, and I like how they look in the back. I like the color of it. I don't like this. This is a very how do you say this? This is a very it's not narrow, it's very open, so like very white. So I don't know if I'm gonna like that part of it. And also it looks a little bit too big for me. I'm been losing some weight lately, so I don't know if this is gonna fit me right now. But well, let's see, let's try it. These are the jeans. They're very pretty, but I have an issue, and that's my never-ending issue with jeans, which is this part of here. See? It's like extremely big in there. Too much space. That doesn't work for me. Unfortunately, that's not gonna work. Not gonna work. Guys, that was really, really, really good. I wasn't excited about these bots whatsoever. First of all, it's really late tonight. Really, really late. And I was like, I have to record this video because I need to know what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not gonna keep. I don't like the pressure that FabFitFun are giving on their customers. The only 3 days thing about you receive it and you have to decide what you keep it and what not in 3 days. I think 5 days would be like a little more wiki time on it. That would be much better. But anyways, they give you 3 days. I don't know, I don't like that. But anyways, this entire box surprised me because when I opened it, I was like, oh, this doesn't look that good. This is just boring, blah, blah, blah. But then a lot of things fit me much better than what I was expecting it. The only problem in this box is basically the jeans. To be honest, the jeans and the blouse, the first blouse. The jeans, they are super, oh my God, they are beautiful. I wish that they fit me because they are so nice and so beautiful. I really like them. I like everything about them. I like the color, I like the material, I like everything. The only problem is they don't fit me exactly as I wish they could, or they will, or they should. I don't know, they just don't fit me and I'm not gonna keep them. The blouse, the first one that I tried, that was $52. That was the beige one. That doesn't fit me in the arms and that is a big problem. I mean, I don't really like the style, and second, it's just, I mean, if it's not gonna fit you in the arms, what are you gonna do with it? Like, it's gonna be super tight all the time. That doesn't make sense to me. So that thing doesn't fit me. But now we have the black top, which is the black top, right? This black top is pretty, it's comfortable, but it's overpriced. If they were charging me at least $10 less, like it's $38, I will definitely pay $29 for this. I will definitely pay $29. But $38, never in 100 million years I'm gonna pay $38 for this specific one. I don't like it that much. And then the shorts, oh my god, this is a problem because I do like them. I see a lot of things in here that I just like them, but I don't like the price of it. I just don't like the price. But these shorts are so comfortable and soft and like super good. I am going to keep them. I'm going to keep them. I know they're extremely expensive. They're like $32, I believe so again. Yeah, $32. They're extremely expensive, but I extremely like them. They're so soft and nice. I'm just going to buy them. I'm getting them. I'm keeping them. This is mine. And this is the I don't know what to do. I wish I had more time for you guys to tell me what do you think about this dress. I asked my husband and he told me this dress is amazing. He told me this dress is amazing, it's pretty, but again he told me I don't know much about dresses and things like that, but he said it looks fine on me. And I don't like some colors of it. I don't like the combination of black, blue, and this hot pink. I would rather be 2 colors instead of 3. I don't like that part of it. And the price is a little bit high, but not crazy. $62. I wish it was kind of like $48, $50. But I mean, I'm not so sure what to do about this. I might just keep it because it's pretty. I mean, I have a soft spot for dresses. I did the same thing in the previous box that I received. I believe was in December. Not so sure which month was, but I did that unboxing. If you want to check that one, I'm gonna link here or here the video for you to go and see that one. But I really like the dress, and that was the only thing that I keep from that box. I don't remember what did I exactly say at the end of the video, but that was the only thing that I keep from the box. I have a soft spot for dresses, and I didn't even know that until recently. I buy a dress and I'm like, if it fits me, obviously if it doesn't fit me, it doesn't fit me, but I'm like, I like it. I like dresses, and I'm just going to keep this. I just made my mind. I'm gonna keep this too. I like the dress. I do like the dress. It feels very comfortable and it feels very natural to the skin. I don't know, it's just, oh, I shouldn't buy it. I don't know what to do. Somebody help me. Anyways, I'm definitely keeping this. After 20 minutes of talking, I'm keeping this one. I'm gonna think about this one for a little bit longer, and the rest is just going bye-bye. Alright guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and here I'm going to be linking my FabFitFun Spring 2019 video. You can go ahead and watch the video, or go ahead and watch the other video that is gonna be on top of that one, that is gonna be what you two think you should watch after this one. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!